Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will tell about manifestation. You can also say that the law of attraction. What is law of attraction? Law of attraction is that when you focus about anything and you get attracted for this is called law of attraction. I take a glass of water. So firstly my mind's thinking about that I want to take the water or not. Then I stand up and then uh, my hands goes to water and then I take a water. This is how my minds work. This is my 6 day challenge. So I have completed for any topics. This is law of attraction all about.